Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable Wi-Fi only uploads on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. Tap on Uploads. You have two options. Select Only when on Wi-Fi option. That's it. Wi-Fi only upload settings is enabled. Now you can upload videos on YouTube only when you are on the Wi-Fi network. You can't upload videos using your mobile data. This is how you can enable Wi-Fi only upload settings on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.